Hi, today we are going to draw a Christmas tree. So let's start it. So for the Christmas tree, what you have to do first, we will draw a big triangle because the basic shape of Christmas tree is a triangle. So we will draw a big triangle using your scale and pencil. Now you have to add curves like this. You can add curves from both the side of this triangle to make it look like a Christmas tree and a stamp at the bottom. Okay, now at the top of this tree I'm making a star, and the Christmas tree is decorated with so many things. Some hangings are there, some colorful balls are there, some artificial snowflakes are there. So like this we are going to decorate it. So I did some basic drawing and I'm outlining it with my thick marker pen. Once you outline it, erase your pencil mark using the eraser. Okay, and now what I'm doing, I'm using my thin marker pen or my sketch pen, and I'm adding some decorating item in it. Like you can see, I have added some colorful balls. I'm adding the stick like this. It's of a J shape, and I have added some sparkle to the star as well. I'm drawing small stars like this. Now we are going to use the brush pen to collect it. You can use any colors, like you can use crayons, oil pastel, pencil colors. I have selected all the bright colors. I'm using yellow for the star and for some hangings. So like this I have filled the yellow color. I'm doing sticks with the red color, and different colors I will fill in these colorful balls. For the Christmas tree I'm going to use the light green color, and you just have to fill around. Don't fill inside those decorative items, so just be careful when you're working with the light green for the tree. Do the coloring in one direction. Always you have to do the coloring in one direction only. So like this we are almost done with the coloring of the tree. And now for this base part, stamp part, I'm going to use the brown color. I'm adding few more hangings, and I will use some different colors for it, like blue, pink, orange you can use. And like this our Christmas tree drawing is done. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.